Good, beautiful afternoon. It's a Friday afternoon in my neighborhood and it's a beautiful day. And my husband, one of our sons and one of our daughters went to the county fair a couple weeks ago, and I got some information about gardening and pollinators and such. So I'm going to document, or not really document, but just put that stuff in the garden. And put that stuff in the garden. Oh my goodness. Put that stuff in my journal. And I was looking through my little box of pre-made book page envelopes, looking for one that I thought would be suitable. And I found these two. I think, however, this one I will have. It actually has two parts to it. I don't think I'll need this. And then I can put some of the things in here and some of the, maybe something here? I don't know. I can go ahead and attach it on here because I don't care about this. I care about seeing the bald eagle, which we have quite a few of in our neighborhood. Yes, one bald eagle landed in our driveway not too long ago, and we have a little Chowini dog. He's about 23 pounds. He's supposed to be 19, so he's on a exercise regiment now, but I am a little concerned that the eagles might be trying to get my little doggy. So anyway, I think I'm going to attach this envelope on 3 sides so that it can also be a pocket. And actually I might go ahead and keep this but put it right in here, and I can journal on that. And then I think I'll put these in the pocket that I'm going to make with the envelope, and I'll just fold these up and put them in the envelope. So that's what I'm gonna do. Simple layout, you know, maybe not that exciting for anybody, but I figured I might as well film it. Might give somebody an idea. Now these envelopes I just sewed together from book pages. I think I already have a video of me doing that. And I can put that link to that in the description, or I can put it in the cards or the end of the video. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and glue this down here. Basically, all you do is fold your book page in 3 parts and then sew it. So we've got that. Now I can put my pollinator, shade plants, and master gardener pamphlets right in here like that. And I'm gonna just kind of fold this up like this. This is native trees and native shrubs. Unfortunately, all the native flower ones were gone, so I couldn't get one of those. But we're just going to go ahead and fold that up and put it right in the envelope. And that's perfect. That'll go right in there. And that's my spread for this information. So I do want to show you a couple of pictures that I took. And this was a capybara. I have never seen a capybara in person. Someone in our area is selling or is growing sunflowers for sunflower seed oil, and the fields are just gorgeous. So we took a couple pictures of that, and that was kind of right near the entrance to the fair. And over here, this was a little, this is a little tiny flower in my yard. I took a close-up of it. The flower's only about this big. And it's called Indian paintbrush. And I could not even see this detail with my naked eye that the photograph is showing. So that's pretty neat. I didn't see all this stuff with my naked eye. So anyway, that's that for that spread.